Hello dear friends. Now you can see another selection of a massive product from Amazon. The link to the product is in the description box of the video. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell buttons. So let's go. Top 5 Best Ceramic Cookware Sets Review. Number 1. GOTHAM Steel Ceramic Cookware Sets. GOTHAM Steel Ceramic Non-Stick Cookware Sets are made of the finest aluminum with an ultra non-stick ceramic coating, making them long-lasting, quick-heating, and very easy to clean. Whether cooking an omelet or a stir-fry, these pieces make it easy to cook with minimal oil and fat, making your food healthier and your kitchen mess-free. The rounded shape is designed to provide extra space, allowing you to hold more food at one time. Stay cool handles are designed with a stainless steel surface, which allows you to place it inside the oven or on the stovetop without burning your hand. Set includes one 14-inch frying pan, one 8-inch frying pan, one 10-inch frying pan, one 4-quart pot, one 8-quart pot, one 10-inch deep skillet, one 3-quart sauté pan, one 1.5-quart saucepan, one 12-inch deep skillet, and one 1/2-quart saucepan. Number 2. Cooking Light Ceramic Cookware Sets. Cooking Light presents a Lure non-stick ceramic 8-piece cookware set with silicone stay-cool handles. Our signature non-stick pan is now available in beautifully colored ceramic. The high-quality ceramic coating is specially formulated to resist scratches and is safe to use with metal utensils. The non-stick surface is extremely durable, offering superior food release and cleanup time after time. The ceramic coating is also thermospot heat indicator. Developed exclusively by Allclad, the thermospot reveals the ideal heat range for cooking by changing from red to blue. The thermospot appeared at first glance to be a simple temperature guide. In reality, it is a sophisticated sensing device that responds to heat. The thermospot's color changes, while viewing the pot from any angle, will tell you when your pan is preheated to the ideal cooking temperature. Once you know the proper temperature for any dish, you can use the thermospot to tailor the heat when needed. All pieces are compatible with electric stovetops. This product is manufactured in China. Number 3. CALPHALON Ceramic Cookware Sets. CALPHALON ceramic non-stick pans are made of durable ceramic with a scratch-resistant coating, which makes cleanup a breeze. They are PTFE and faux-free, and the dark gray non-stick surface evenly distributes heat to promote browning, baking, and searing. The cookware is stylish. Stay-cool handles ensure a comfortable grip while cooking, and are magnetic, so they're easy to grab. This set comes with an 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch fry pan, 1-quart saucepan, 2-quart saucepan, 3-quart saucepan, 3-quart sauté pan, and an 8-quart stock pot. Number 4. GREENPAN Ceramic Cookware Sets. GREENPAN developed the Sear Smart technology to bring the advantages of higher quality non-stick surfaces to the world of healthy ceramic cookware. In addition to the many benefits of GREENPAN's healthy ceramic non-stick, all pieces in the set, as well as the handles, are all made of superior quality 18/10 stainless steel, so it is perfect for use on both gas and electric cooktops. This healthy ceramic non-stick cookware is free of phthalate, lead, and cadmium, the harmful chemicals used in most non-stick cookware, and is made with 100% recyclable materials. The base of each pan is constructed of high-quality stainless steel, which provides even heating and doesn't transfer heat. The lightweight glass lids are designed to let you see the food while cooking and are also safe for use in the oven up to 350 degrees. This cookware set is oven safe up to 550 degrees and is suitable for all cooktops. Each pan has a 3-layer ceramic non-stick coating and a textured surface for easy gripping, even when using wet or oily hands. Number 5. CUISINART Ceramic Cookware Sets. Grab your keys and head to the kitchen as you cook a meal that tastes as good as it looks. The CUISINART Ceramic Cookware Set is the way to go when looking for efficient cookware that brings you the best of both worlds, the high performance of stainless steel, and the beauty of white ceramic. Ceramic is exceptionally easy to clean, and it releases food easily, and its stunning look will amaze anyone who sees it. The cookware set includes one non-stick covered casserole with glass lid, one non-stick skillet with glass lid, one non-stick covered sauce pot with glass lid, one spoon/spatula, one slotted spoon, one spatula, and one medium stirring spoon. Thanks for watching my video.